In this video, I will show you how you can delete Google Photos without deleting from phone. The first thing you want to do is open up your Google Photos app, then tap on your profile icon. Now tap Google Photos settings and tap backup. Make sure that your backup is off. Once you have toggled off the backup option, exit out of the Google Photos app, then open up any web browser such as Chrome or Safari, then search photos.google.com. Make sure that you're using the same Google account over here. Now tap on the three dots, tap select photos, choose the photo or photos you want to delete, then tap on the trash icon and tap on move to trash. Once that is done, tap on the menu at the top left corner of your screen and tap on trash. Now tap empty trash. Once that is done, the photo is removed from Google Photos, but that photo still remains on your phone's gallery. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.